So today we're going to be looking at a portable washing system here from SpaceRest. This is a 5-gallon jug here that we have that has a complete system here for washing. And you're going to basically be with me as we put it together, because that's usually some of the better videos. So this particular unit comes with a little pump that will drop into the tank, and then it will have a battery. So it is basically an automated system when it comes to pumping the water, which is really kind of nice. For some of us who like to go camping, this is an option where it would be allowing you to wash hands and such in the field. And then for those of us who are at a work site and we need to wash up before lunch, or we want to do whatever, this is a great option. It's meant to be a shower, so there's a little hook that you can basically hook this onto something. In my situation, when we're down working down by the lake there, I'm going to hook this on the back of the Ranger, the side-by-side, hook onto that, and then we can have the water running right in one's hands. It comes with a little mesh bag that will hold some of the attachments. It has its charging, because there's batteries. There's a little charging cable for that. I'm going to grab the battery, though, because the battery's way up in there. And there's 2 batteries. So batteries are just a little thing. They are pretty much safe for every situation, because you can have wet hands and you're not going to get electrocuted with these things. It can be charged with a USB-A connection, and off you go. Let's see, we got to find the final important part. Where is that valve? There it is. Because you need to have the little shower valve right here. We should be good, but if we lose one, that's what they have extra in there for. So we just finger snug it up. We don't want to crank it too hard. So when this comes, this particular has a little rubber stopper, and then this is the lid that will go here. This is the one you would use for transport, and then you can pull this out and put this in that mesh bag. Now this has to be stored and handled when it's full upright, because there's a little breather valve here, and if you tip it, it's going to leak. So you keep it upright. You'll end up having to move this. Now you can't grab it and pull it. You've got to just kind of push it from the top or from the bottom. You can't grab and pull it very well, because it just doesn't work. So make sure you're handling it properly. So basically what we're going to do is just drop the pump in, and then we're going to secure. And you can hear the birds excited in the background, because I think it must want a bath. Little does it know it's a shower that it would be getting. Okay, we've got our handle. And what we're going to do is we're going to put attach the battery, and the battery just plugs right in. And then you can see that there's a little clear silicone gasket there. So we just line it up, and I'm not lining it up properly. There we go. And then you can turn it, and now it's all sealed up. So again, it's safe to use. Then it is designed, you can see that there's a little hole there. It's designed where you can go and you can clip it on to the hose. Now they're showing to clip it on the hose up higher. It can be clipped anywhere, and for our application, I'm going to clip it here. To start, on the battery is a little button, and we push that button, and now the pump is pumping, and there we have water. And we have a nice flow of water. If you can take a look at that. Now I just put tap water in here, nothing fancy, but you'd want to make sure you're putting clean water in there, because the pump is going to last a lot longer with clean water in there. But yeah, you've got a nice flow of water, whether if you're wanting to do a shower, and then one quick push shuts it off. So it really kind of a quick and easy option that would give you the ability to wash at a remote location, whether it's a campsite, whether it's a work site. Having some water to be able to wash up a little bit, freshen up before having a meal is a great thing. And this is going to give you that option to do it. Once you're all done with it, I mean, it's literally the reverse order of what we did. You would take and you're going to disconnect your battery. And again, there's gasketing here, and this is probably where you might lose the gasket. For charging, it's just that wire that I had there that was a USB-A on one end, and it's that little one. Yeah, that's where it goes. Charges it up, and then once it's fully charged, the light will tell you. And then you take this out, and there's our pump. Put the cover back on, and you are good to go. Just making sure the water's kind of out of it. And that's why it's kind of a mesh bag. You can see there's a little water dripping out. but you're good to go. Again, 5-gallon capacity. It's going to sit, as it sits out, like say in the sun, it's going to warm up a little bit, but you don't want to put hot water in here because it's not meant for 140 degree water. It's somewhere in that 100 degree water is fine. A little over that's fine, but you don't want to put super hot water in there. And you also, throwing ice cold water, who wants that to wash with? That doesn't make any sense at all. So we'll put a link in the description below so you guys can go check this out. But this again is from SpaceRest. This is their 5-gallon bucket shower system, which for the right applications with a job site or for a camping trip, this could be a huge saver of your cleanliness.